Are you still stuck on Windows 10? Well, it's time to upgrade. With Microsoft ending support for Windows 10 on 14th of April 2025, now is the perfect moment to install Windows 11 24H2 on any PC, even if your hardware does not meet the official requirements. Let's dive into how you can make this upgrade seamlessly. Before we jump into the installation process, let's quickly cover the system requirements. Windows 11 has specific needs, but don't worry, I will show you how to bypass some of these limitations. You will need a compatible 64-bit processor, 4GB of RAM or more, 64GB of storage, TPM version 2.0, but we will discuss how to get around this. First things first, back up all your important files. You don't want to lose anything during the upgrade. Once that's done, let's grab a copy of the Windows 11 24H2. Here is how. First, head over to the official Microsoft website. Download the Windows 11 24H2 iOS from there. Once the download is complete, navigate to where the Windows 11 iOS file is stored. Now, if your PC does not have TPM 2.0 or Secure Boot, don't panic. You can still install Windows 11 24H2. Here is a quick workaround. Mount the image and go to the source folder. Hold the Shift key and right-click on a blank space. Then select Open PowerShell window here. In the PowerShell window, type cmd and press Enter. Then type systemprep.exe/product server and press Enter. Follow the on-screen instructions. Click on Next. Now, accept Microsoft license terms. Choose what to keep and click on Next. Then click on Install. Note that although the setup screen shows Windows Server, you are still installing a regular edition that matches your current SKU. That's it. Alternatively, once the Windows 11 image download is complete, download Rufus. It is a free open source app for creating bootable media. Connect your USB drive and open Rufus. Select the drive from the device drop-down list. Select disk or iOS image and click Select. Find the Windows 11 24H2 image and then leave everything else in the app as it is. Then click Start. Check the remove requirement for 4GB plus RAM, Secure Boot, and TPM 2.0 option. Without it, Windows 11 24H2 will not install on your computer. Wait for the app to finish the process. Once everything is done, restart your computer and boot from the USB drive. The setup app will let you install Windows 11 without issues on an unsupported computer with an older processor or no TPM or Secure Boot. Check the agreement box and click on Next. Type in your product key. If you don't have one, click on I don't have a product key. Choose the version of Windows 11 24H2 you want and click on Next. Accept to Microsoft license terms. Now select your disk and click on Next. Then click on Install. Once the installation is complete, your PC will restart. Here is how to set up Windows 11 24H2. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your region and keyboard layout. Connect to your Wi-Fi network if you like. Choose a username and a password. Customize your privacy settings according to your preferences. Finally, let Windows 11 finish setting up your device. This may take a few minutes. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Windows 11 24H2 on your PC. Here are a few tips to get you started. Check for updates immediately to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. Explore the new Start menu and taskbar for a fresh experience. Familiarize yourself with the new Snap Layout feature for multitasking. Don't forget to install your system drivers, essential softwares, and restore your backup files. And there you have it. You have upgraded to Windows 11 24H2, ensuring your PC stays supported and secure beyond April 2025. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might still be on Windows 10. Have questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Happy computing!